Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you can make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're comparing two high flyers in the drone world, the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone and the Ruko U11S drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the price. Holy Stone HS720, it'll set you back $249. Meanwhile, the Ruko U11S is a bit pricier at $283. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Holy Stone is already winning the wallet battle. But hey, maybe Ruko has some tricks up its sleeves to justify those extra dollars. Let's find out. Both of these drones boast 4K UHD cameras with 90 degrees adjustable lenses. Holy Stone's camera comes with Image Stabilization, which means your shots will be smoother than a jazz saxophone. Ruko's camera also promises to capture those precious moments, but without the fancy image stabilization. So if you don't want your footage looking like it was filmed during an earthquake, Holy Stone takes the cake here. According to reviewers, Holy Stone's camera works well for its price point, while Ruko's camera offers good stabilization but could improve the remote control phone mount durability. Now, let's talk about flight features. Holy Stone HS720 is like the James Bond of drones. It's got GPS-assisted intelligent flight, which means it'll come back to you if the battery is low, the signal is lost, or if you just press a button. Plus, it can follow you, fly along a path, or circle around a point. Ruko U11S, on the other hand, is like your loyal butler. It's got optical flow positioning for indoor flights and GPS positioning for outdoor flights. It's beginner-friendly, but doesn't quite have the same level of flair. Reviewers appreciate Holy Stone's stable flight modes and return-to-home feature, while Ruko is praised for its precise handling and ground sensor technology. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants their drone to drop out of the sky like a rock. Holy Stone offers 26 minutes per battery, and you get 2 batteries, so that's a total of 52 minutes. Ruko gives you 20 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries totaling 40 minutes. So if you're planning on filming the next Lord of the Rings, you might want to go with Holy Stone. Reviewers note that Holy Stone's battery life is impressive, while Ruko's battery life is decent but not as long-lasting. Both drones are pretty user-friendly, but let's break it down. Holy Stone comes with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for when the GPS signal is weak. It's got one key start-stop, emergency stop, altitude hold, and even an electric fence. Ruko, meanwhile, keeps it simple with a transmitter that charges directly and one key functions. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a butter knife. Both are useful, but one's got a bit more going on. Reviewers find Holy Stone to be easy to assemble and fly, while Ruko is praised for being beginner-friendly and stable in windy conditions. Portability is key for all you adventurers out there. Holy Stone is foldable and comes with a well-fitted carrying case. Ruko is also foldable and is about the size of a mobile phone, making it lighter and easier to carry. So if you're planning on hiking up a mountain to get that perfect shot, Ruko might be a bit more convenient. Reviewers highlight the compact and easy-to-carry design of both drones, with Ruko being particularly praised for its lightweight build. Last but not least, customer support. Holy Stone offers product support, but Ruko goes the extra mile with a 30-day return policy and a 90-day free warranty. Plus, they've got a customer support team ready to help you with any FAA questions. So if you're the type who likes a safety net, Ruko's got your back. Reviewers commend Holy Stone for its excellent customer service, while Ruko is praised for its comprehensive support and warranty. When it comes to online reviews, Holy Stone HS720 is praised for its solid build, advanced features, and excellent customer service. Reviewers appreciate its stability, ease of use, and good battery life. On the other hand, Ruko U11S is lauded for its improved design, precise handling, and comprehensive customer support. It's considered a great drone for beginners and experienced users alike. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holy Stone HS720 and the Ruko U11S have their pros and cons. If you're looking for advanced features and longer battery life, Holy Stone is your guy. But if you want something super portable with excellent customer support, Ruko's got you covered. The choice is yours. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Leave a comment below on which drone you think is the real MVP and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying.